Welcome to our presentation on quantum synergy. How we are integrating green technologies for global sustainability. Our mission is to create a more sustainable future by harnessing the power of quantum physics and renewable energy sources. We believe that by combining innovative solutions with the commitment to eco-friendly practices, we can make a real difference in the world. This opening slide sets the stage, introducing our core focus on using cutting-edge technology and sustainable approaches to address global challenges. I will dive into the specifics of a quantum and green technology integrations in the upcoming slides.
As we look to address the critical sustainability challenges facing our world, we will explore three key areas: water scarcity, food security, and energy generation. Water scarcity is a significant problem with limited access to clean water impacting communities globally. Our focus is on providing innovative solutions for water purification, distribution, and conservation. Global food security is threatened by climate change, population growth, and insufficient farming practices. We are developing sustainable solutions for food production and distribution to tackle these challenges. The transition to renewable energy is crucial to reduce reliance on fossil fuels. We are exploring quantum physics to develop new, efficient, and sustainable energy generation technology. These three areas, water, food, and energy, are interconnected and vital to creating a more sustainable future. Our work aims to provide comprehensive solutions to address these pressing challenges.
AquaPure is an innovative water purification system that provides access to clean, safe drinking water. It uses advanced filtration technology to remove harmful contaminants from water sources. This system is designed for energy efficiency, minimizing energy consumptions, and leveraging renewable energy sources. AquaPure is scalable and affordable, making it suitable for a wide range of applications from individuals, households to larger communities. The system is a game changer in ensuring access to clean water for communities around the world.
AquaGreen is our innovative hydroponic farming solution that enhances food security. Hydroponics allow us to grow crops in controlled environments, leading to increased yields and reduced water consumption. By precisely controlling nutrient levels, we optimize plant growth and maximize crop quality, ensuring sustainable and efficient food production. Hydroponic farming enables year-round production regardless of weather conditions, providing a consistent food supply and reducing reliance on seasonal harvests. The advanced technology and automation of hydroponic systems are showcased in this photorealistic illustration.
AquaBot is an advanced autonomous cleaning robot that can navigate complex environments and perform a variety of cleaning tasks efficiently. Its design prioritizes energy efficiency and sustainability with features that minimize energy consumption and environmental impact. AquaBot is a versatile solution that can be used in residential, commercial, and industrial settings, contributing to a cleaner and more eco-friendly world. The robot's sleek, minimalist design and colorful LED lights give it a modern, futuristic aesthetic that is both functional and visually appealing. Key capabilities of AquaBot include its ability to autonomously clean, its energy-saving design, and its versatility across different applications.
The United Nations Sustainable Development Goals are a blueprint for a better and more sustainable future for all. AquaPure's solution directly contribute to several of these goals, which I will highlight on this slide. First, the water purification technology helps provide access to clean water, reducing waterborne diseases and improving overall health. This aligns with Goal 3 on good health and well-being. The purifying water sources will ensure clean and safe water for drinking and sanitation, which is the focus of Goal 6 on clean water and sanitation. Finally, our sustainable solutions promote the development of more livable, environmentally friendly cities and communities, contributing to Goal 11 or sustainable cities and communities. Overall, AquaPure is proud to be aligned with and supporting the critical UN Sustainable Development Goals.
Our modular design allows for easy scalability and customization to meet the specific needs of different environments and communities. We are committed to developing cost effective solutions through efficient design and innovative technologies, making our offerings accessible to a wide range of communities. A key part of our approach is community engagement and empowering local communities to participate in sustainable development through technology and education. This helps ensure our solutions are tailored to the unique needs and priorities of the communities we serve.
The image on this slide is the vibrant, optimistic illustration of a green leafy planet representing the interconnectedness of nature and our environmental sustainability efforts. The core S thoughts of our approach to environmental sustainability is centered around three key pillars: renewable energy, waste reduction, and use of eco-friendly materials. We leverage renewable energy sources to reduce our reliance on fossil fuels and minimize our carbon footprint, aiming for 100% renewable energy. Our focus on waste reduction involves efficient design and innovative waste management practices with the goal of achieving a 90% waste reduction. We prioritize the use of sustainable, recyclable materials in our products, promoting a circular economy and aiming for 80% eco-friendly materials. These three pillars form the foundation of our environmental sustainability strategy, showcasing our commitment to creating a more sustainable future.
This slide introduces the key products in our ecosystem: AquaPure, AquaGreen, and AquaBot. AquaPure is an advanced water filtration system with a sleek, modern design. AquaGreen is a vertical farming solution allowing for high density, sustainable food products. AquaBot is a smart home sensor platform providing comprehensive monitoring and control. Together, these cutting-edge solutions create powerful synergies to address critical environmental and sustainability challenges. I will dive deeper into each of these products in the upcoming slides.
Welcome everyone to our presentation on empowering communities transforming the future. Quantum Synergy is dedicated to using technology and innovation to create a more sustainable world for all. Our mission is to ensure everyone has access to clean water, reliable food sources, and a healthy environment. We believe that by empowering local communities, we can make a real difference in addressing global challenges. Please join us on this exciting journey as we work towards a brighter, more sustainable future together.